In this sweet and golden episode of Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, we're baking one of Portugal's most iconic desserts, Pastéis de Nata. Creamy, flaky, and caramelized on top, these custard tarts are a symbol of tradition and irresistible indulgence. Pastéis de Nata. 1 roll of puff pastry, 250 milliliters of milk, 35 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of cornstarch, 6 egg yolks, 250 grams of sugar, 1 pinch of salt, 125 milliliters of water, lemon peel, and 1 cinnamon stick. In a saucepan, combine the sugar, water, lemon peel, and cinnamon stick. Bring to a boil for 3 minutes to form a syrup. Set aside. In a separate pot, add the flour, cornstarch, salt, and milk. Stir well and bring to a boil while whisking continuously. Slowly add the sugar syrup to the milk mixture, stirring constantly to combine. Add the egg yolks and stir until the custard is smooth and uniform. Line small tart molds with puff pastry. Fill with the custard mixture. Bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes, or until golden and caramelized on top. Let cool slightly, then sprinkle with cinnamon or powdered sugar if desired. Pastéis de Nata bring the taste of Portugal to every bite. Warm, sweet, and unforgettable. Until next time on Rosa's Portuguese Kitchen, where tradition is always served fresh. Faça e coma!